Alright guys, welcome to another episode or to another video, to another whatever. In this video we're gonna share with you guys how to actually create a affiliate program. Okay, so let's say you have created a funnel like this one right here, and this funnel is already generating sales like this one right here. Come on, load up. Here we go. So this funnel is already generating sales. Average cart value is $55, and based on 600 clicks, it has already generated sales. Now, the best way to generate more sales is to create an affiliate program and be able to add people to that affiliate program. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your funnel into an affiliate program on Kenji. Okay, so we're gonna go on to marketing, and we're gonna go on affiliate manager, and we're gonna create a campaign. All right, so right here, start your first campaign. We're gonna click on this blue button. Our Stripe is connected. We can connect any of these payment processors, and then we're gonna add the existing content. So I think I have somebody here that we want to add. Go, we're gonna add this person, import, continue, next. Now we're gonna create our first campaign. So this is gonna be get 30% on Race to Freedom, and it's gonna be a funnel. That funnel is gonna be the upside down funnel, and the first page is gonna be our homepage. I mean, it can be other pages, but this is the sales page, of course. We're gonna do 30%, or we can do a flat fee. Okay, so if you're paying like $5, $6 per sale, you can do that, or you can do 30%. You can click on finish, and that's it. Your campaign is created. Okay, you can go to campaigns, and as you can see, you have one affiliate. Every time you add an affiliate, they're gonna automatically get a email to actually log in to share their product. Okay, you can click on the campaign and you can add affiliates whenever you want. You can come in here and add different products. You can remove products, and then you can add affiliates. You can change the descriptions, and you can assign more affiliates as you see fit. Now, this list right here only shows you the affiliates that you have added already to the system. So if you want to add all of the affiliates in your list or in your contact list, you want to go ahead and check all of them and select all the affiliates, add them to the product, and they're going to get a link to start promoting your product and service for 30% off. Again, don't worry about the email. Don't worry about anything that gets sent out to them, because it's going to get sent out automatically. All right, I hope this helped you in any way or shape or form. Let's start crushing it. Let's go.